we click on any product, we get its details. And as you can see right now, our product details page is looking messy. So let's style to make it look like our prototype version. Open up singleproduct.php file and make changes to source code so it'll match our prototype version. As you can see now, we have a little better layout. Here's workflow for updating styles, inspect elements, and trace selectors. Override selector styles in our own theme styles.css file. For Write Details panel, we have a single product folder, which contains all the template files we can use to customize the product details panel. We'll use the workflow to trace and update the selector styles. It's a pretty simple workflow. Finally, give some final touches. And we're done. We're going to style the cart page. Now we need to style the coupon code part and buttons, and we're done. Inspect and write styles for selectors to make it look like our prototype version. We're going to style the checkout page. First, let's see how it's looking. It's looking better already. But we need to update the styles to make it look like the prototype version. Make any changes to make it according to our prototype in look and feel. We're done with it, and it's looking much better now. We're going to learn how we can style our thank you or order received page. Let's enable cash on delivery first for testing order. Let's place an order. Here's how our thank you page is looking. Let's update the styles to make it look like our prototype version. Once done, refresh page to see the changes. Now it's looking great. We're going to style our account and its inner pages to improve the look and feel of these pages. Let's start with Dashboard. Update the styles once, done move to the Orders page and improve the styles. Follow the process to carefully style the rest of account pages.